In this video, we're going to go over how to show fields based on the account owner. Rather than show or hide fields on the profile, we want to show a particular field information if it's the account owner or the manager of the account owner. So as an example, I have a field called net income, and that's a currency field. And then I have net income display, and that will be a formula field in text, and we'll get to why in a moment. I also have an example of a number field, number of contracts, and then number of contracts display. Again, that's a formula field based on the number field. For this financial information, the company only wanted to show the actual data if the owner of the account is viewing. The owner of the account could be a variety of profiles, so that introduces some complexity. But these two fields right now, net income and number of contracts, are only visible to the system administrator. I currently have them on the page for purposes of this video. I then also have the formula fields on the page, and those would be on the page for everybody. The org-wide defaults are public read, and the customer wanted the org-wide defaults to be public read. However, they wanted certain fields hidden unless you're the account owner or sales management. So with these fields as examples, net income, currency, we'll click into that and see that the field security is only system administrator. Now I will go back, and it probably lost my filter. Yes, it did. The net income display as my text formula field shows if the running user is the owner of the record, and I've added the $ as well, show the text version of net income. If the running user is the manager of the record owner, show the net income. Otherwise, if it's neither of those, show not shown. So currently back on our record, I am the owner of this particular example account, and I'm going to go over to my test user I'm logged in as, showing that the owner is not me. And so what I see here is not shown and not shown. I can't see the data. So if we go back to the record that I'm logged in as myself, I'm going to change the owner, which does have a different profile than myself, of the record to the test account. Now the account owner is that test user, which is not a system administrator. And I'm going to go over here, refresh my screen. And now that test user, because they own the record, sees both the information on the net income and the number of contracts.